Okay, so hello everybody. Welcome to the unboxing of the new iPhone 11 Pro Max. So we got the silver version, as you can see. We have on the packaging itself, we have Apple logo here, here, and then we have the iPhone here, and here. So I got the 64GB version. I don't really need that much space on my phone. I usually just move everything that is pretty heavy on my computer. I work on my computer mostly, so I don't really need that much space in here. So let's see. Apple went back on the black box. I think for the 11 normal is still white. It's only for the Pro that it is black, but I'm not sure. On the new packaging, they had this little flappy thing, which I'm really glad. They put it back. I mean, they put it. I'm really glad they put this one in. I always found myself opening it with some scissors and stuff through here, and then I ruined the box. I know it's just a box, but I like to keep things, and I like to respect the packagings of things. I don't really tear stuff apart, so I'm really happy about this. So let's open it. Ooh. And then, so you open it like that, and then it just literally falls apart. It's really satisfying. Ooh. So if you touch the box, the iPhone picture is bumped up compared to the rest of the box. And let's open it. I feel like from the last, it's silly things, but again, I'm a nerd for packaging. I feel like when you lift the box, it's not as hard as it used to be. I remember I used to have to like shake it, but now it comes off pretty smoothly. And here it goes. It's very nice. Let me lift it up. Ooh, nice. So out the back we have the frosted glass. So it's frosted on the main bit here. In here it's like a shiny part along with the 3 cameras. And then because of this frosted glass at the back, the protecting film is only at the front, which I don't really mind. I mean, it's pretty protected in the box. You take it off anyway to put your own screen protector. So I don't really mind. It's really nice. It's a really nice finish. It feels very nice on the hand. It has a pretty good grip to it. So when I was buying it, I was thinking about either the silver or the black, and now that I have it actually in my house and in my hand, I'm really glad that I chose the silver one. So now I come from a iPhone XS Max, and the size-wise is the same. They have the same screen. Obviously the back is different. I am not a great fan of the 3 cameras. I mean, I upgraded because these 3 cameras are much better. They're better quality videos. We have the telescope, no, the wide, ultra wide. I'm not really sure the name of it, but they are much better. I would have loved for Apple to come out with a design more similar to this. So they should have, I think for my aesthetic opinion, they should have worked on something like this. Oh well, I think it's just like people were not really happy about this design either, and then they got used to it. So it's all fuss. Now let's see what comes in the box. I already have all these fingerprints on it. So in the box we have obviously our manual with the stickers. I got white stickers. It's very nice. And then it comes with this brick, which I'm gonna open it. So this is supposed to be the fast charging brick. I saw a lot of reviews online, and they all have the US adapter. We have this one. We have this is the UK adapter. I love when it flips back and forth. So compared to the American one, we have a pretty massive kind of socket. So they thought it was very nice. It's pretty nice. So here we have our headphones, and we go with the new charger, which goes from iPhone to USB Type-C. I'm gonna open it anyway. Oh, I love Apple packaging. Just look at that. It's just the small things. I'm pretty happy about this. When I heard it first time, when they released the phone, I wasn't really happy about it. Because I don't really use this I just have all the sockets with the USB in it. So I was like, if I ever change it, I have to get, I need to use the old one. I can't use the one in the box. But now that I upgraded my computer, I'm actually really happy because now with this, I'll be able to connect it to my computer. So I'm actually happy they did it. And well, I'm supposed to charge the phone faster, but apparently this phone has 5 hours extra of battery than this one, respect to this one. So, well, we will see how it goes. I actually need the little pin for the phone to put my SIM card in it. Put it here. Just solve everything back. So I have my SIM card here. And I will pop it in. So I bought this phone here in Hong Kong. And in Hong Kong we have the dual SIM choice. So I will have my primary SIM in here. And then we actually have a slot for the second SIM in there. So what we can do, I usually use it when I travel. So I would have my primary SIM here. And then I have the secondary SIM at the back, which is just for data. Once you pop it inside, the iPhone automatically recognizes that you have a second SIM card. It will ask you all the settings for which one you want to use for data, which one you want to use as a main phone, which one you want to get calls on, which one you want to get text on. So I saw that some countries don't actually have the choice of it. So, but yeah, here in Hong Kong, we have that. So it's setting up. I hate the fingerprints. It's gonna be cut post-production. So I hate fingerprints. So it will take a little.
A few moments later.
Let's see if I remember the Wi-Fi password.
A few inches later.
Restore from iCloud backup. Restore from Mac or PC. Which one?
A few inches later.
Oh, I received a code somewhere.
One eternity later.
I mean, on hand. This thing is bothering me, but I don't take it off until I have to put the screen protector. I know everybody. Oh, continue. I know everybody online is gonna. Everybody online has been doing the ASMR thing where they slide it off, but I don't want to use my fingers on the screen until I have. Until I actually have. I want the light one. Display, zoom, those standard. Until I actually have the screen protector on, I don't want to remove the protecting film. Continue. Welcome to iPhone. And, ooh, here it is. Wow. So, when you get this, I feel like the first thing you gotta do is the camera. So you have to take a look. Okay, continue. So I feel like you have to, so, pardon the dirtiness, but so here is how you look with the normal one, the classic one. The camera is much better. I feel like, let's take a few pictures. I feel like the quality is much better. Pardon all these issues there. I feel like it's much better. Let me see in the photos. Oh, I hate this in the new phone. I just want to, but it is, got it. The quality is just much better. Like I can see every single little drop. Like, look at that. The quality is much better. But what shocks me is the wide angle. Like, it looks like it's been taken from way further away. You can see all my mess right there. Wow, it's really good. Is it? It's great. Wow. It's amazing. So, wow. So, this swapping between apps feels much faster compared to the old one that I had. But I do feel like it's getting hot at the back. I've literally only set it up. So I don't know if it's just like because the setup has been heavy, but I haven't even transferred any anything from iCloud. I just set it up as a new phone. And it's getting warm at the back. So I don't know what's the deal with that. Maybe it's just because I turned it on. I'm not sure. So, well, that's it. So thank you very much for watching. And I'll get my tea away. And here it goes. Bye bye.